Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot using your Android phone. This is something that I've gotten a lot of comments about, people asking how do you do this. So I figured I'd make a quick video, show you how to do it. It's very simple. So to take a screenshot on your Android phone, you're going to be pressing two buttons at the same time and holding them down. You want to hold them down until there's an icon on the status bar. That'll show you the image. The two buttons you need to hold down are the power button and the volume down button. So as you can see right here, I'm going to hold them down at the same time and you'll see an icon appear right up here where my thumb is at. So 1, 2, 3, hold it down. All right, you see that icon right there? I'll swipe down, and now to view that image, we could just select it right there. And now you can see this is a screenshot of the GaugingGadgets.com website. So that's how you take a screenshot in Android. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.